Hi everyone, good morning. Myself Ravi Mehla. I have completed my graduation from SK College Sikar, Rajasthan and post graduation in mathematics discipline from IIT Gandhinagar. Today we have discussed about JAM exam. JAM exam is joint admission test for MSc. What is JAM exam? JAM exam is national level entrance exam for MSc. The first question is that national level entrance exam. The second question come in mind that who conduct JAM exam? Actually IITs conduct this exam. That's why it called IIT JAM. Today we have also discussed the 23 IITs name. Their name are there: IIT Delhi, IIT Varanasi, IIT Ropar, IIT Gandhinagar, IIT Patna, Hyderabad, Madras, Indore, Palakkad, Dhanbad, Bhilai, Jodhpur, Kanpur. They have 2-year MSc program in physics discipline, chemistry discipline and mathematics discipline. The further 10 IITs, they have also 2-year MSc program in physics, chemistry, mathematics, but IIT Bombay have also 2-year MSc program in botany, earth science, cognitive science. IIT Guwahati have also 2-year MSc program in physics, chemistry, but they have 2-year MSc program in mathematics and computing. IIT Bombay, IIT Kharagpur have also 2-year MSc program in physics, chemistry, mathematics, but they have also program for MSc and PhD dual degree. Now we have discussed when the JAM form will become, the registration, admit card, exam result. So now the registration will be start from 10 September to 15 October and the admit card will be available on 5 January and the exam will be conducted on 14 February and the result will be available on 20 March. So now we discuss about the eligibility criteria for JAM exam. Eligibility criteria for JAM exam is: the first, candidate from any nation. No age limit. The third condition, if you belonging from OBC general category, then you have 55% in your graduation, and if you belonging from SC ST category, then you have 50% in your graduation. Now we have discussed the exam pattern of JAM. The JAM exam will be conducted in online based exam. Second, the medium of exam is English. The total marks of paper is 100 and there are 3 sections of exam: section A, section B, section C. Section A will contain 50 marks and section B will contain 20 marks. Section C will contain 30 marks. Section A is the type of MCQ, multiple choice question. Section B is the type of MSQ, multiple select question. And section C is the type of NAT, numerical answer type. In section A, there are 2 parts. In part 1 there are 10 question, in part 2 there are 20 question. There are total question in section A is 30. 10 question, each question per marks 1, and section B each question marks 2. And they have also negative marking. In this part 1/3 negative, and in this part 2 by 3 negative marking. In section B, MSQ type multiple select question. Each question will contain 2 marks. Here is the 10 question, sorry. Here is the 10 question. Each question will take 2 marks. There are no negative marking. In section C, there are 2 parts. In part 1, there are 10 question. In part 2, there are 10 question. Total question is there 10. And the first part will contain, each question contain 1 marks, and second part contain 2 marks, and there are no negative. Here question type is numerical answer type. That means your answer will look like 1, 2, 2.4, 3.6, 4.8. So that's the what is the exam form details, eligibility criteria, exam pattern, and the last question is that who conduct IIT JAM 2021. So 2021 exam will be conducted by ICC Bangalore. Now we have discussed about the cutoff of JAM exam. The result will be available on 20 March 2021. The cutoff, so I have cracked the JAM exam in 2018. That time in mathematics the cutoff of OBC will be 16 point something, and the general category cutoff is 21 something. So if you want IIT and you belonging from general category, then you got 40 plus marks, then you have easily got IIT. And if you belonging from OBC category, then you have got 35 plus, then you got IITs. Thank you. If you like the video, please comment in the below.